Welcome back to Dream Car, the place where we explore every kind of vehicle, from luxurious giants to compact city legends. And today, we're diving into something that might surprise a few of you, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran. Yes, you heard that right. The Mehran is back, and it's making a bold return with a refreshed identity. Once known as the humble people's car, the 2025 version aims to mix nostalgia with practicality while stepping into a slightly more modern era. So let's take a close look at how Suzuki has reimagined this iconic hatchback for a new generation. The first thing to notice about the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is its updated exterior. While it keeps its compact footprint, the design is much sleeker and slightly more refined than its predecessor. You still get the classic boxy silhouette that made the Mehran recognizable, but this time, it's dressed up with sharper headlights, a reworked front grille, and slightly bolder lines along the sides. The wheels are upgraded too, giving a fresher stance without straying too far from the car's roots. Suzuki knows this car has a cult following, and they've clearly tried to keep that familiar DNA while making it more presentable for today's roads. Under the hood, things have changed, finally. Gone is the old 800cc carbureted engine. In its place is a small but more efficient 1.0-liter 3-cylinder engine that offers better mileage, smoother performance, and reduced emissions. While the Mehran has never been about speed or performance thrills, this new engine makes it feel less sluggish and more in tune with modern city driving needs. It's zippy enough to handle daily commutes, especially in crowded urban environments, and offers the kind of fuel efficiency that budget-conscious drivers will appreciate. What's even more interesting is that Suzuki is reportedly offering an optional mild hybrid system for the 2025 Mehran. It's not a full EV or anything too futuristic, but it does give the car an extra push in terms of fuel economy and environmental friendliness. For a car that's always been about affordability, this is a significant step forward and opens doors for new buyers who are more eco-aware but still need something cost-effective. Step inside the 2025 Mehran and you'll find an interior that's finally moved out of the 90s. The dashboard is redesigned with better quality plastics, a digital display for basic info, and even a touchscreen infotainment system in the higher trims. Bluetooth connectivity, USB ports, and basic smartphone integration are included, making daily drives a lot more convenient. Don't expect luxury here, but compared to the old Mehran, it's like jumping 2 decades into the future. The seats have also seen an upgrade. They're still basic, but a lot more supportive than before. You get better fabric material, slightly more padding, and even adjustable headrests in some variants. Rear seat legroom remains limited, but the clever design ensures that it can still accommodate 4 adults without too much discomfort. Suzuki has paid attention to the cabin insulation too, so it's a bit quieter than you might expect in this price range. Safety is one area where the new Mehran tries to make a real difference. While it won't have all the latest high-end safety tech, it now comes standard with dual front airbags, ABS brakes, and a reinforced body structure. This is a big deal considering the older models had almost no modern safety equipment. Suzuki's decision to include these features shows that even in budget segments, safety is no longer negotiable. On the road, the 2025 Mehran delivers what it's always promised: simplicity. It's easy to drive, easy to park, and easy to maintain. The steering is light, visibility is great, and the suspension is tuned for comfort. Over broken roads and speed bumps. It won't win any awards for driving dynamics, but that's not why you buy a Mehran. You buy it for reliability, low running costs, and the ability to get from point A to B with minimal fuss. And in all those areas, it continues to deliver. Another important point is affordability. The new Mehran is still positioned as an entry-level car, and Suzuki has made sure to keep it within reach of first-time buyers, students, and families looking for a second vehicle. With an attractive price tag, low maintenance costs, and widely available spare parts, the 2025 model carries forward the Mehran legacy of being one of the most economical cars in the market. To sum it up, the 2025 Suzuki Mehran is a comeback that's rooted in familiarity but sprinkled with just enough updates to stay relevant. It's not trying to be flashy or futuristic, it's sticking to what it does best, offering practical, affordable, no-nonsense mobility to the masses. For some, it's nostalgia. For others, it's their very first step into the world of driving. And with the new updates, it's ready to serve another generation. Thanks for watching Dream Car. Let us know what you think about the 2025 Mehran. Has Suzuki done enough to bring it into the modern era? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more honest takes on the cars that matter. See you in the next one.